Okay. Same, you should split the middle term.
Middle term.
How? 4s square minus. See, 4 into 1 is 4.
Sir.
4 into 1 is
4.
4. Do the prime factorization. 2 and 2.
2.
So, see, I told you this one how to break it. How to split it.
2.
Getting just minus 2 and minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2. Plus 2 plus 2. Plus 2 minus 2. Correct. All minus 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 plus 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 minus. All 4 combinations you should think. No need to write in every question, just you should think. So this become minus 4. This become plus 4. This become, sorry, this and this get cancelled. This become 0. Right? Again, this become plus 4. And this also become 0. And what we require?
4.
We require minus 4. We require
Minus 4.
minus 4. So this is okay, and this all thing we can't take. Getting how to select after doing prime factorization. So here minus 2s and minus 2s plus 1. Now select this 2 term and select this 2 term. Correct. In this one take 2s out. So 2s minus 1, and here minus take out. So 2s minus 1. If we take minus out, inside term sign will change. If we take minus out, inside sign will
Change.
change. Now 2s minus 1 and 2s minus 1. Getting? Yes or no? Achha. Now here equal to 0 is there. Means 2s minus 1 is equal to 0 and 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. So s is equal to 2s is equal to plus 1, s is equal to 1 by 2, s is equal to
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Here also s is equal to 1 by 2. So these are your zeros. These are your
Zeros.
ZEROS. You can name this as alpha, this as a
Beta.
beta. This as alpha, this as
Beta.
beta. Getting? Then I told you should verify it. You should verify. How I verify? So sum of roots is equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a. So what is b? Sorry, don't know this. Alpha plus beta. Sum of roots alpha plus
Beta.
beta. Do it. 1 by 2 plus 1 by
2.
2. Means LCM 1, and here also 1. Means 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Correct. Now this is equal to, you can say, minus of b by a. Minus of b by
A.
Minus of b by a means coefficient of
x.
minus coefficient of x by
Coefficient of x square.
coefficient of
X square.
x square. See, is it same or not? Minus b. Minus b is coming
4x.
4 coming, and we have get 1. So where we did mistake? Started. But once this slide get off, then you should find product of roots. Correct? POR. POR is equal to alpha into
Beta.
beta. Means 1 by 2 into
100.
1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Means 1 by 4 is equal to what you may write?
Constant.
Constant by
Coefficient.
coefficient of
X.
x square. See, product of roots.
Sir.
Coefficient of
X square.
x square. So see, now check. Constant is how much? Plus 1.
Plus. Sir.
Constant is
Plus 1.
plus 1. So we written plus 1. Then coefficient of x square. X square is how much?
S square.
So s
S
square.
square.
So that is 4. So this is verified.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? चलो do it, copy it fast. ये देखो, फर्स्ट इसको रीअरेंज करना है. फर्स्ट इसको रीअरेंज कैसे? क्या बताते क्वाड्रेटिक? ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c. यहाँ पर क्या है? ax स्क्वायर प्लस c प्लस bx है. समझे? तो सबसे पहले इसको रीअरेंज करो. मतलब 6x स्क्वायर माइनस 7x माइनस 3 रीअरेंज हो गया. अब मल्टीप्लाई करो. 6 3 जा 18. 18 का 2 प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. 18 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. सो 2 9 3 3 करेक्ट है. अच्छा, अब यहाँ पे 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 3 करेक्ट है. इसमें से हमको सिर्फ दो ग्रुप बनाना है. दो ग्रुप बनाना है जो कि हमको 7 दे सके, और भी 7 में कैसा -7 दे सके. करेक्ट है. तो हम ऐसा कर सकते हैं क्या? 9 और 2 का ग्रुप बना लें, क्योंकि अगर हम 9 माइनस 2 करेंगे तो 7 आ जाएगा. 9 माइनस 2 करेंगे तो 7 आ जाएगा. लेकिन हमें चाहिए क्या? -7.
7.
Getting what we need? -7. We are getting here +7, but we require -7. So like -9 plus 2, -7. Yes or no? So this is correct. So do it. 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 is equal to 0. Now see what is common in this? X is common.
Yes, sir.
Then 3 also is common. Yes or no? So 3 2 ja 6, x minus 3
3.
plus 2x minus
3
is equal to
0.
0. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Now see, this 2x minus 3 and 2x minus 3 is common. So 2x minus 3 and 3x, here nothing means 1 is
One.
there. Is equal to
0.
0. Now simplify. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 3. X is equal to
3.
3 by 2.
3 by 2.
Yes or no? Here 3x is equal to -1, x is equal to -1 by 3. So this is your alpha, this is your
Beta.
beta. Yes? Now we should find sum of roots means alpha plus beta means 3 by 2 plus -1 by 3. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Now LCM is 6. LCM is
6.
6. 2 3 ja 6 and 3 3 ja
6.
9. 2 3 ja 6, 3 3 ja
9.
9 plus 3 2 ja 6,
Yes, sir.
3 2 ja 6 and 2 1 ja 2 and plus into minus
Minus
minus. Getting? Means here 7 by
6.
6. Yes or no? Now check. Is this is coefficient of x?
X. Yes, sir.
Check. Coefficient of x is how much?
7. Correct, sir.
That to -7. So it's verified.
Sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Just after that we should write minus coefficient of xy minus coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is how much? 6.
6.
We are getting same. So first one verified. Now product of roots. Product of roots means alpha into beta. Alpha is how much? 3 by 2. Beta is how much?
Minus
-1 by 3. Getting? So this 3 to 3 cancel.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? What remain here? -1 by
2.
2. See, constant is how much?
Cons. 1, sir.
Constant is 3. Constant is
3.
3. See here? Constant is 3. And coefficient of x square is how much? Coefficient of x square is how much?
6.
6. Here -3 by 6. So 3 2 ja 6 is equal to -1 by 2. Both coming same or same or not?
Yes, sir.
So this also verified.
Very.
Getting?
Yes, sir.
Copy it fast. This one, right? 4u square plus 8u. Correct. See, in this only we can see u and u is common and 4 is also common. Getting? So take 4u out. 4u out. What remain here? 2u plus 2. 1u plus 2. 1u plus 2 because 4 1 ja 4 and 4 2 ja 8. Getting? This equal to 0. This equal to 0. Yes or no? Now, here also we get 2 term. Here also we get 2 terms. 4u is equal to 0 and u plus 2 is equal to
0.
also 0. And I told before, if the power is 2, this will give 100% 2 roots. If power is 2, 100% will give 2 roots. If here 3 is there, this will give 3 roots.
3.
Correct. If it is 4, means it is 4 roots. Roots means 4 answer will come, 2 answer will come, 3 answer will come. Correct. So here u is equal to 0 and here u is equal to minus 2. This side plus 2, this side minus 2. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So assume this as a alpha, this as a
Beta.
beta. Now we should find sum of roots. So sum of roots is equal to alpha plus
Beta.
beta is equal to 0 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 2 is equal to
Minus 2.
minus 2. Acha. Now this is equal to what we say? Sum of roots is equal to, see there, coefficient of
X.
coefficient of
Minus.
minus coefficient of x by speak
A square.
coefficient of x
Square.
square. But here given u, so right here
U.
u and here
U square.
u square. Now check coefficient of u is how much? 8.
8, sir.
Coefficient of u is
8.
8. 8. Yes or no? Acha. By coefficient of u square is how much?
4.
4 means 4. We get minus 2. So this and this is equal or not?
Sir.
Means this is verified.
Okay.
Acha. Now we should find
Product.
product of roots.
Roots.
Product of
Roots.
means alpha into
Beta.
beta is equal to 0 into 1 root is alpha 0, 1 root is minus 2. So 0 into minus 2 is 0.
0.
Correct. Now verify it. Say it from here. Coefficient of
Constant.
constant by
Coefficient of X square. U square.
acha, here u. So u square. Now say constant is how much? Constant is not there only. Correct. I told it should in form of ax square plus bx plus c. See, in this question c is not there. C is
Not there.
if not there means you will take
1.
0.
No, sir. 0.
If not there means you will take
0.
0. So 0 by u square is coefficient of u square is speak.
Sir.
So coefficient of u square is 4. So 0 by anything is
0.
0. Correct. So see same or not. So this also verified.
Yes, sir.
T square minus
15.
15 is equal to 0.
0.
Correct ना? अब क्वेश्चन है कि how to split this? How to split this? Now, in this kind of question, see I told you here ax square plus bx plus c should be there, right? Here square term is there, constant is also there. See, constant is there, square term also there, but bx is not there. Bx is
Not there.
not there. In this question directly, t square is equal to, this one take this side, 15. T square is equal to plus 15.
15.
Then t is equal to root over 15 plus minus root over 15. T is equal to plus minus root over
15.
15 means t is equal to plus of root 15 and t is equal to minus root 15. This is your alpha, this is your
Beta.
beta.
Yes, sir.
Getting how to find? You get alpha and beta.
Beta.
Now sum of roots is equal to alpha plus
Beta.
beta. Alpha plus
Beta.
beta. Alpha is how much?
15.
Root 15.
15.
Beta is how much?
15.
Minus root 15. Correct. Plus into minus is
Minus.
minus. So plus minus
0.
0. Correct. Now verify it. Here what you know? Alpha plus beta is equal to
0.
coefficient of
Coefficient of
speak.
coefficient of x t
Or
sir.
t square.
T sir.
T is there, right?
T square.
T by
Coefficient
Percent
of
of t square.
of
T square.
t square. So coefficient of t is how much? Not there only, right? T term is only not there. So 0 by and t square is 1.
1.
So 0. See, these two are verified. Yes or no? Now we find the POR. Now we find
P
product of roots. Product of roots means alpha into
beta
beta. Alpha into beta means alpha is how much? Root 15.
15.
And this one how much?
15.
Minus root 15. Yes or no? So root A into root A is equal to how much?
A.
Root A into root A is
A.
A means 15 into 15 is root 15 into root 15
15.
is 15. Correct. Minus sign put here minus. Correct. Now for verification, alpha into beta is equal to
Minus
constant by
constant by coefficient.
constant by
Coefficient
of
t.
t or t square.
T square.
T square.
Sir.
Getting maybe terms will be same, but you have to write the.
T square.
T.
So how much is the constant hour? Constant is minus 15.
Minus 15.
Constant is
Minus 15.
15.
by t square. Coefficient of t square is. Coefficient of t square is
0.
Okay, 1. If nothing given means 1. 0 means that t square only will not exist. Correct. So 15 by minus 15 by 1 is equal to
1.
minus 15. So see, we get same. Yes or no? Okay, question number 6. Yes, na? Now, again you should split this x. First you should check this is rearranged or not. This is rearranged, right? Our format should be ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so this is rearranged. So we should just split it. How? 3 4 ja 12. So 2 6 2 3. Correct na? Means 2 into 3. Now we should make two group that should give here 1. Here coefficient of x is
1.
1. Getting if nothing written means it is
1.
1. Achha. Can you take 4 and 3? 4 minus 3 is 1. Yes or no? We required here minus 1. We required here
Minus one.
minus 1. So can you do minus 4 and plus 1? Plus 1 or plus 3?
Plus
Minus 4 and plus
3.
3. So minus 4 plus 3 is equal to
Minus 1.
minus 1. So this way we can use, right? So here 3x square, I am writing here plus 3x minus 4x because 3 taking common will be more easy, right? Minus 4 is equal to 0. Now 3x take out, x plus 3, yes or no? X plus 3 or x plus 1?
X plus 1.
Plus 1.
X plus 1. Now we will take minus 4 out. Minus
4
4
out.
out. Outside is minus, inside sign will
Plus.
change, right? So x plus 1.
One.
Now x plus 1 and 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Yes, na? So x plus 1 is equal to 0. 3x minus 4 is equal to
0.
0. So x is equal to minus 1. 3x is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 4 by 3.
3.
Correct? This is your alpha. This is your
Beta.
beta. Getting? Yes or no? Now, for verification, sum of roots is equal to
1.
alpha plus beta. Sum of roots is equal to alpha plus.
Beta.
At least here written, you should see and read. Getting? Achha. Alpha plus beta is equal to alpha is how much? Minus 1.
1.
Plus minus 4 by beta is equal to 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3. Yes or no? Take the LCM. Here nothing written means 1 is there. If nothing written means 1 is there.
One.
Right, assume like this. So LCM is 3. So here minus 3 and plus into minus is minus.
Minus.
So minus 4. Yes or no? So here minus 7 by 3.
3.
3.
minus 7 by
3.
for verification write sum of roots is equal to minus coefficient of speak coefficient of x
X.
by coefficient of
X
X square.
x square. Now saying coefficient of x is how much? Minus 1. See here, coefficient of x is
Minus
one.
written here minus 1. Yes or no? Divided by coefficient of x square. X square is
3.
3. So minus
3.
3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And this side plus will come now. See, this side minus, this side plus. Plus 4. Plus 4. So plus 1. Right? Minus minus cancel. 1 by 3. Yes or no? See, this side minus 4. So this side plus 4 now. You have taken wrong as minus 1.
Minus.
So now it's verified.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
By 3.
Next.
Product.
Now POR alpha into beta. Alpha into
Beta.
beta. Now alpha is how much? Minus 1. Alpha is
Minus 1.
Minus
beta is
4 by 3.
plus 4 by 3. Plus 4 by
3.
3 means this become minus 4 by 3. Plus 4 into minus 1 is minus 4 by 3. For verification, constant by
Coefficient of x square.
coefficient of.
X square.
So how much is our constant? Minus 4. Right? Minus 4 by coefficient of x square how much?
3.
3.
3. See? Same.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Sir.
Copied.
Yes.
See? For a quadratic polynomial, each given number has sum and product of its zeros. Getting? Means sum of roots and product of roots is given. Sum of roots and product of roots is
Given.
given. Then saying to find a quadratic polynomial. Correct? Before quadratic polynomial was given, we should find the sum of roots. Now sum of roots is given and we should find a quadratic polynomial. So did I taught you this one? How to do? No. See there. This is question number 2, right? Exercise 2.2, question number 2, right? Huh? First learn. We know f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. This is our quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Yes or no?
Sir.
Achha, now I am saying terms divide by a. This term divide by a. So if you divide by a, ax square by a plus bx by a plus c by a. True? Now cancel x square plus b by a into x plus c by a. Is it true? Yes or no? Now x square, see b by a. B by a we have heard before also. See, b by a. So b by a means what? Sum of roots. B minus of b by a means sum of roots. So here can I write minus of alpha plus beta. Minus of alpha plus beta means sum of roots, right? But we have b by, here we have b by a, but alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So here I put minus. Correct? Achha. C by a is c. Is that product of roots? C by a is product of roots. Means alpha into beta. Can I write x square plus into minus is minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots. Sum of roots into x into product of roots. Correct? So in that question, it's given, roots is given, alpha and beta is given. Like say example, this is question number 2, 1. 1 by 4 comma minus 1 is given. 1 by 4 comma minus 1 is
Given.
in the question. Means this is given sum of roots and this is given product of roots. See in the question is saying for a quadratic polynomial with a given number as sum and product of its 0. Sum and its product of 0. So this is given sum, this is given product. Correct. Now just saying what to make a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomials. Just put into this x square minus sum of roots into x plus POR, product of roots. True. Means x square minus sum of roots how much? Minus 1 by 4 into x. Yes or no? Then product of roots is minus 1. Now put into bracket. Means x square minus 1 by 4x minus 1. This is our answer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Little bit more if you want to do. You can take the LCM as 4. So this becomes 4x minus 1 minus 4. But both are true. Correct. Instead of writing like this, you can write 4x square minus 1x minus 4. Correct. Every term multiplied by 4. Every term multiplied by 4. So here 4 and 4 get cancelled, become 1. Here 4 and here 4.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Achha. Same like that. See question number 2. From there, one root is root 2 and one root is
1 by 3.
not root. Sum of roots is this is SOR and this is
POR.
POR. Correct. Again same thing. See x square minus sum of roots into x plus POR. True. Means x square minus sum of roots is root 2 x plus 1 by 3. Yes or no? Or we can say every term multiply by 3. Every term multiply by 3. Just for removing this denominator.
Yes, sir.
Getting? So multiply at 3. 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. This is the answer. Yes or no? See like same like that. Next is
This 0
and
root 5.
root 5. Means this is what? Sum of roots and this is what?
PRO.
Product of roots.
Roots.
Correct? Achha. Again same thing. X square minus SOR into x plus POR. Means x square how much? X square only. Sum of roots is 0 into x plus root 5. So 0 into x is 0.
Yes, sir.
0 into x is
0.
So x square plus root 5. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See next. Question number
4.
4 was here, right? Question number 4. 1 comma 1 is given. 1 comma
1.
1. 1 comma 1 means this is given sum of roots, this is given product of roots. Correct. Now can you write directly x square minus sum of roots. Sum of roots is 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Plus product of root is 1. Means x square plus x plus 1. Directly. But in exam go by this full step by step. Now, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Achha, next question saying 5. SOR is how much? Minus 1 by 4. And
Minus
POR
1.
how much?
Minus 1 by 4.
Plus 1 by 4.
Yes.
Getting?
Yes, sir.
Achha. Now, x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots. Is it true? Now put x square minus of 1 by 4 into x plus 1 by 4. True. Means x square plus 1 by 4. Getting now? Minus into minus plus.
Yes.
Plus 1 by 4 x plus 1 by 4. LCM will be 4. So all term multiply by 4. So here 4x square plus x plus 1. This is the answer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Understanding?
Sir.
Huh? This 4 comma 1. sum of roots is equal to 4 and product of roots is equal to 1. So here x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots. True?
Yes, sir.
Now sum of roots how much? X square minus 4 plus 1 in here x.
4x plus 1.
Oh.
Getting?
Yes, sir.